Good morning, friends. Hope all of you must be fine. Today is 17th October 2021 and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. It's Sunday today and I am presenting you long-term ownership review of XUV 500. I have bought this car on 17th April 2017 and since then I have driven 55,000 kilometers. I have driven this car from my hometown in Bihar to different places of my posting like Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir, Siliguri in West Bengal and Dhemaji in Assam. So it would be nice to share my driving experience with all of you. Majority of my drives have been on national highways as well as state highways, both on plain and hilly roads. The XUV 500 has got tremendous amount of power, torque and high ground clearance along with disc brakes in all the four wheels of the car. These qualities of the car make it a perfect car for highway driving. The fuel consumption of the car is approximately 14 km per liter. The best cruising speed on highway is 120 km per hour. Mahindra has a very big network of dealership and hence one feels very comfortable in case of any breakdown. The service interval of the car is 20,000 km and cost per service is approximately 10,000 rupees. The car is very spacious from inside and when you are traveling with 5 people, then you also have sufficient boot space. Per day covering a distance of 800 to 900 km is really a fun in this car. Lateral movement in the car is very much optimized on account of monocoque suspension. It has got sufficient ground clearance to cope up with the potholes of highways. These are the positive points of ownership. There are also some negative points of ownership which also needs to be discussed. The fit and finish of the internal plastics are not up to the level. Service support to the customer are not at par with some other reputed brands. The company must work on the same and improve the service support. But still, the pros of the car outweighs the cons. In a point range of 10 for ownership review, I would give the car 8 points. This is my very honest and sincere review of the car. The video is being captured in a very picture-chic environment. When I bought this car, this was my instantaneous decision. And so, in back of my mind, there was worry that my decision may be wrong. But during the last course of 4.5 years, when I used this car, the car had not let me down. I was not very much optimistic about the car and therefore I just bought the lowest version W4 with on-road price of rupees 15.5 lakh. Post purchase of this car, I took the car to Jammu and Kashmir. At that time I was posted in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. And when I drove my car to J&K, it was really a fun to drive with lots of confidence on highway. It was approximately 2000 km drive with my family along with my pet also and also with tons of luggage in the boot. The drive was really a stress booster to me. And now I am in the habit of driving this car on long journey to my hometown, as it is a stress booster on each of my drive. Presently I am posted in Upper Assam, and this is about 1400 km from my hometown, and each time I drive my car to my hometown and back, I daily enjoy driving the car. It's a bliss for me. All my stress are gone, and therefore it's a really value for money car. The car has ample amount of torque of 340 kN and brake horsepower of 140 horsepower with sufficient ground clearance, and therefore you can take this car either to the beach or on highways, on hilly roads, on plain roads. Everywhere your car will accompany you, just like Pug Dog of Vodafone advertisement. Jokes apart, it is worth buying. At the last but not the least, I would request you all to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that latest videos from me will approach you at the earliest possible. All my videos are made on my personal experience I have gained. It is not a copy paste video. Therefore, to have my personal experience, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.